Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Abdurrahman. So today we're going to be unboxing the X360 Pavilion 14 laptop. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay friends, so this is the HP Pavilion 14 X360 laptop. And then the reason why I decided to get this laptop is because it has a lot of specifications which I was actually looking for. And then if you have interest in this laptop, I'm going to put in the specifications of this laptop. So let's get into it. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Comes with this paper. Okay. I think these are all manuals. It has another manual. And then, okay, let's move to the charger first. Okay. This is what the charger looks like. And then the laptop itself. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Wow, guys. So this is what the HP Pavilion 14 laptop actually looks like. Wow. It looks good. Okay friends, so even before I got this laptop, according to the research I made, I got to know that this mount is actually totally different from the normal one we use. So I decided to get an adapter for this, which would work, I think, pretty well, good for it. And then this is the head, I usually call it. It looks kind of smaller than the normal one. So moving to the laptop itself. Wow. Wow. So literally this is what the laptop looks like actually. This is what the laptop looks like, and then it's actually two-in-one laptop. It can be folded into two parts. I don't know if you can see this, into two different parts. So it can be in form of literally a pad, and also it can be in form of a laptop. And also if you want to use it, maybe watch videos or do other stuff, it could be in this way, and then you do whatever you want to do. I think this is one of the most important, like the most interesting feature I love about this laptop. It can be either as a laptop or an iPad. So let's get to charge it and then we'll come back and see what it looks like. So this is what the adapter actually looks like. So I got it to try before the laptop even came, because I knew that the mount will be totally different from the normal socket that we normally use. I was actually thinking that that adapter had a screwdriver, a kind of screwdriver which is used for checking current or something like that, but I finally found out that it was actually just a pen, maybe like for a gift or souvenir, something like that. I was actually thinking that it was a screwdriver, but it was literally a pen. So this adapter, apart from it being an adapter, it can be used to regulate. So I plugged it in for a while, and then after that it's going to wait for some minutes just to regulate and see if the current is too low or is too high or it's bad. So that's one of the main reasons why I decided to get it. Okay, now that we've already charged it, so let's on it and then see how this laptop actually looks like. Another feature of this laptop which I totally forgot about it was that This laptop is a screen touch laptop, so literally you can use your hand when you fold this laptop. Okay, so now that the laptop has finished booting, I've actually on this laptop before and I made some settings. So we're going to be using my thumbprint to open it. So this is just me checking out the features of the laptop in general. One important feature about this laptop that I knew people would love to know more about is actually the audio quality. Literally, this computer has a very good audio quality, I must say. And then I decided to play one of my favorite YouTubers' video, who is Ali Abdal. So this is what the audio quality looks like.
To help redesign some of our websites. Like, he previously had a job, he didn't enjoy the job very much, and he decided, you know what, I'm interested in design, I like the idea of making websites, I'm just going to teach myself. And through just watching YouTube.
Okay friends, if you find this video very interesting, please give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share to other people to watch this video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.